Morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to see who is connected to your Wi-Fi. So if you own a Wi-Fi, maybe Globe or PLDT or Sky, have you ever wondered who are the people connected to your Wi-Fi? Do you think you are the only one who's connected? So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to check on how many people are connected to your Wi-Fi. So first thing you need to do, you click on Start, all right, on your PC if you're using PC, and then type CMD. Okay, CMD is command prompt. You click here, command prompt, and then what I want you to type, guys, is ipconfig. Again, that's ipconfig, short for IP configuration. So after that, press enter, and you will be provided with several information. But the most important thing that you will be getting is the one that's saying default gateway. So all you need to do is just copy, okay, copy here the one that's on your default gateway. Copy. You can right click and then highlight, then Control C for it to be copied. All right, and then next, you just have to open a browser and then type in there at the top, okay, the information you got from ipconfig, the one in default gateway. After that, you just have to press enter. After that, currently I'm using Globe. So all you need to do is you don't have to know everything that's in here. Just go down. And as you can see here in user device information. So these are the units, or these are the people who are currently connected to your Wi-Fi or your router. It's saying online. So if you know the devices that you have in your house, perhaps as for me, my wife is using Oppo A9. We have uh, another person using here Android, okay, and of course my PC. It's saying LAN one, meaning I am currently directly connected to a wired connection, meaning I'm using an Ethernet connection, and of course my phone Oppo F11. So if it's saying SSID, that means I am connected through the Wi-Fi. All right, and if it's saying LAN, then that means it's connected via uh, uh, Ethernet cable. So in this way, you should be able to know who are the people using your Wi-Fi, right? So that there are actually, if you are that person complaining, why is that your, when you go to speedtest.net, okay, speed test, let me search speed test, let me click this fast.com, all right? Whenever you click on, when you go to fast.com, you're paying for, let's say, a 5 Mbps speed, you only got less than that, then it could be that there are several people connected to your Wi-Fi. So because if you have an internet connection, it will be divided to how many devices connected to your Wi-Fi. So perhaps this is an eye opener for you, if how many people are currently connected to your Wi-Fi. So if you counted, let's say four, then for some reason there are say more than four devices connected, say six devices connected to your router, then that means there are other people who knows your password and who is now enjoying your Wi-Fi without your authorization. Then that means you need to uh, do something about that. Of course, you're paying for your router, you have to enjoy that. All right, so on my next vlog, I'm gonna teach you guys how to change the password and your Wi-Fi name for your Wi-Fi router. All right, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to chat, comment, and I'll be willing to assist. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.